everyone, I'm Miranda from SlashedBeauty.com and I'm partnering with Bed Head Styling today to show you how to create this tousled waves hair look with the Bed Head Curlipops 1 1/4 inch tourmaline ceramic styling iron. This curling wand is all you need to create beautiful loose waves with lots of volume, and the high heat up to 400 locks them in for a long lasting look. The clamp-free design is easy to use, and the tourmaline ceramic technology reduces frizz and adds massive shine. To get this tousled waves hairstyle, I start with a section of hair about 1 to 1.5 inches wide, and I wrap it around the barrel, going away from my face and leaving the ends out. I hold it there for about 10 seconds, then here's my secret. Once I slide it off the barrel, I pull it tight by the ends to get this loose effect. Repeat until you get all the way around your head. I like to shake out my waves a little bit to give it more of a casual undone look, and then we're done. I think this style is super versatile. You can wear it to work, then out with the girls, or even on a date night. Loose tousled waves are one of my favorite hairdos because they're so easy to wear, and even if it gets a little messy, it looks like you did it on purpose.